Let's take out one of these and see if we can find some brood. This is all glued together. They use a substance called propolis, and it's bee glue, essentially. So you kind of have to, they glue their whole hive shut, and they glue everything together, and it can get kind of hard to get stuff out. Huh. Oh, wow. I'm just going to look down in between. Let's see if I do this. I'm going to take a couple out if I do that. Yeah, that's glued all the way down. I don't want to kill the bees. Look out. Look out. Okay, they're starting to get a little angry now. Give them a little smoke. Oh, no wonder. They're all, you look, they're all together. Here's a good one. Holy smokes, these are just filled with so much brood. What a great hive. I'm going to put another box on top of this one. You can double the size of this hive. They will be making lots and lots of honey. Holy smokes, I can't get one out. Now they're pissed. I would be too. Oh, I'm out of smoke. Out of smoke.